Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Yemi and this is my channel and this is Yemi's Kitchen. Today I am celebrating Valentine's Day and I want to share it with you my friends on how I celebrate my Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day is very special to me. I'm grateful for life. I'm celebrating myself and the grace of God upon myself. I'm celebrating my family, my viewers, and life itself. Happy Valentine's Day, viewers. Enjoy as you watch a clip of my Valentine's Day menu and celebration with my family. Love you. Hope you enjoy watching this episode. If you do, and you do recreate your menu, please tag me on my social handles. Don't forget to subscribe, bang the notification bell, follow, like, and make a comment. Doing all this will help my YouTube algorithm and also validate the effort that I put in this channel. And don't forget, in Yemi's kitchen, we look our glass half full. Don't forget that happiness is a choice. We choose to be happy. Choose to be happy in Yemi's kitchen. Love you. Oh, till I see you in my next episode. I love you so much. Choose to be happy. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Happy Valentine's Day. It is Valentine again. I'm celebrating Valentine in Yemi's kitchen. So I'm just going to show you the preparation, behind the scene of the preparation of my Valentine's celebration with my family.